Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host as always, but today we're checking out room 11506 here at MGM in the West Wing. So I'm going to give you guys kind of a quick room tour so you guys can see what this room has to offer. So right away when you walk in, not like a traditional Las Vegas room, you have the commode here. Nice glass door for the commode. And you have the shower over here. Nice door for the shower. And this time I will actually show you the shower. It's kind of cool. It's got this little like adjustable head thing, I guess. You can move it all over the place, move it up and down. And they got the traditional one over here. So pretty standard in Vegas, but not standard because your closet isn't right over to the right. Here is your mirror, like accessory stuff down here. You got blow dryer, Kleenexes, towels, extra toilet tissue if you guys need it down here, and then a waste bucket down at the very bottom. Come with some glasses that look relatively clean, so that is a plus. Help conserve the desert. The most precious resource is water. Turn the water off when you brush your teeth, guys. Save the desert. But anyway, pretty nice little entryway. Kind of like it. Not a huge fan of the view that we got though, but I'll talk more about that here to come. I do like this little lamp end table thing. I thought it was pretty sweet. That and this custom like chair. This thing is way sweet. I don't know if you guys can see that, but try and swing around a little bit for you. They have a nice name brand Samsung TV with infotainment drawers and stuff like that right here, because you don't have a traditional dresser or anything like this within this room. And if you're like me, you're kind of wondering where the hell is the safe. You got the mirrors over here, full length mirrors, so you can see yourself before you go out to the strip. Look at that beautiful guy right there. But here is where your safe is. It's behind this mirror. So good sized closet, pretty standard in Las Vegas. They have the damn safe that they have at the Mirage. Not a fan of this thing. Is look at how wide this bottom is. Like, this is literally a hotel key. That is how wide the safe is. That is the back part of the safe. Ridiculous. How am I supposed to charge all my camera gear and keep this stuff safe? And that's why I won't release this room review video until we're actually out of the MGM. I'm not stupid, guys. I have thousands of dollars worth of camera gear, and I'm not gonna just do my room. This is my room that I'm staying in, come rob me. So never do room reviews and give your room number out before you actually leave the resort, hotel, and casino. I like the little lamps that they have on either side of the bed. It looks a little worn, not gonna lie. This is all chipped. It's kind of warped from where people have put their drinks and things like that down. I think that that should be fixed, just my opinion, but nevertheless, we have this other part of the bedroom, your phone, ice and water. These glasses look clean. Ooh, not so clean. Don't know that I'll be drinking out of those. With every resort, MGM Grand. Looks like somebody's dog got a hold of this thing. It's all chewed up, but I never use their pens anyway. But yeah, like I said, with the view, we didn't really get hooked up here. We kind of got shystered, but not a big deal. You can see kind of the aria over there, but yeah, we got a backside facing room, so really not much to see. Parking garages, you know, the norm. But anyway, this is the room that I will be staying in. Kind of wanted to give you guys an update of MGM West Wing King is the room that this is. There's one thing on the bathroom that I thought that should have been fixed, but this is just me probably being a stickler. I'm sure people don't care, but look at the bottom of this mirror. It's all warped. But, oh well, what can you do? You know, like I said, I get put up for free by MGM. Not really bitching. I just like to point this stuff out for people that are more in depth on their room reviews and like to see what the room all entails when you come here to the fabulous city of Sin. But this is where the main content will come. This is going to be my little workstation, my little desk. I like the little writing lamp that they got. Nice, comfortable chair that I've sat in so far. Pretty decent, no complaints. I've already got some of the camera gear already pulled out, but I have stuff to do. I have to go pick up my guest from the airport. So if you guys are watching this, I won't release this video until I leave Las Vegas, but this was kind of one of the first nights that we're here in Vegas. I just got here a little bit ago, so I think I will leave off with you here. I got a lot of stuff to do, but I hope you all enjoyed the room review of the Mirage West Room King. As always, my name is Ryan. I recently set up Instagram, so check that out. If you haven't already subscribed yet, be sure to do so. Make sure to leave a like on the video, but I love all of your support. I'll see you in the next one.